Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and this is Jovenal Narcisse. And for today's video, I'm going to feature to you a latest item that I bought from the Uniqlo store near my place of residence. And this Uniqlo store is located in a shopping mall, and due to the hot weather right now here in the Philippines, I took the time to go to the mall and take advantage of the cold temperature, as it is very hard for me to be staying in my place because the electricity is not very powerful, and the air conditioner is not working 100% efficient. So I have to go to the shopping mall and take advantage of the cooler temperature inside the said mall. And while I was walking, I went into the Uniqlo store, and I was surprised to see items that were reduced in price. And the original price of these items was 3,400. 3,400. And I was surprised, and it was one of the sale items being offered by store, most especially Uniqlo. And I was able to grab two items, and I'm going to unbox them and present to you this item. And I got two. One is olive in color, and the other one is black gray. So we'll start with the black gray. Apparently, this is called, the model is called Air Miracle Shirt Jacket. It is made of polyester, 100% polyester, and it seems like a very thin wool, and I got the small size. So you will see it later on my fitting video, but this is very light and very thin, and this is what is in the tag. It is called Air Miracle Shirt Jacket, and the price is 1,490, which is almost more than one half of the original price. And I immediately grabbed two items of this kind of model. So we're going to describe and conduct a very brief product review. Of course, it has a color, and it has one pocket on the left side of the breast. And surprisingly, you have a side pocket on both left and the right. And at the back is very straight, and I just measured the vital description or size description of the small. According to the tab, this is appropriate for guys who has a height of 5'4" to 5'7", 5 feet 4 up to 5 feet and 8 inches in height. And the chest is more than 36 inches, which is the whole circumference. However, when I measured this shirt, Air Miracle shirt, the shoulder registered a dimension of 18 inches. Usually my shoulder length is 17 to 18 inches. And then the chest measurement, which is from armpit to armpit, this is 21 inches, which is really good because my chest size is from 19 to 21 inches. And the length of this shirt jacket is 26 and a half inches from the bottom of the the collar all the way to the hem. And the opening is also 21 inches. And the length of the sleeve is 24 and a half inches. So it fits to my body because my body profile is slim, and I usually have a size small on their shirt, except for those t-shirts because I'm already medium on their t-shirts. But for long sleeve shirts, for coat, jacket, and so on, my size is small. So basically, this is a polyester, and it's nice. And I'm going to present the other one. This is the olive, and it is also okay polyester, 100% polyester. It is very light. It has a pocket on the left breast, and of course side pocket on the left and on the right. It has the same dimension as the black gray item that I just presented, and it looks good with denim and chinos, while this black gray looks like you can use it in a semi-formal, wherein you can use a slacks as your bottoms for this, and it's really very light. So these are the items that I got. Of course, it has the same price, 1,490. I could not control myself of not buying these items because of the price. It is very tempting. Plus the fact that I will be using this in my trips whenever I take a flight, maybe locally in going to my province in the Ilocos Norte and other parts of the Philippines, or maybe I can use this also in my travels in going to Hong Kong, Thailand, and Japan in the near future. And come rainy season, it will be a cooler season, so this will be a very nice shirt jacket that I will use whenever I'm traveling or whenever I'm going around on shopping malls and walking around in the city. So we will now proceed with the fitting video. So if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please do so. And if you have any comments on these items that I presented, please make your comment on the comment section down below, and please click that notification bell for my updated or latest video contents on this YouTube channel. Thank you very much for watching, and have a good day. Bye.